Hi, this is Damien from Extron Australia. We're here at Integrate 2019. This is our control system software. So Extron's very much moving ahead with our control, range of processors, touch panels, even wall plate interfaces, all that sort of stuff. But to set those guys up, we've got different options in software. So the entry-level one is our Global Configurator Professional. So that allows people to get configure their touch panels or button interfaces and control processors to do some very complex things with conditional logic. So you can check if a room's in a combined mode or in single mode and things like that. But you don't need any programming skills. So this one here is all drag and drop. You basically select a button on here. There's drivers loaded up depending on the devices that you're controlling. And when that button gets pressed, over here's what we want it to do. So we can drag across to, in this case it's checking if the start button is off. If it's off, we want to make it appear on, and then we can drag over some control commands. Once you finish that, you literally build that and push it to the processor and it will run. So it writes any of the programming code in the background for you. The next level up from this, so once people are sort of across that, if they want to take it to the next level or want full control over it, we go over to our global scripting environment. So this allows you to basically do exactly the same thing, but instead of any drag and drop, you actually write it all in Python. So Python programming language is what we use for all of this. And it's standards-based Python, so if you understand Python from what you might have learned at like a university, you can apply that to any of the Extron processing. And all we do is when you come along to our Extron Authorized Programmer certification, we just teach you how to interface it to the Extron control library, which is what makes the physical ports on the box mean something to Python code. So you can actually instantiate and write conditional loops and all that sort of stuff. The nice part about it is standards-based. You can jump on Google and say, how do I do a for loop? And there's thousands of examples. So that's a nice feature. So people that are right into their programming and stuff, that's the one you want to go for. The other thing that we've also got in the lineup is our GVE, so GlobalViewer Enterprise, and this is our management software. So this is just an example of one of the help desk screens. This is used for enterprises where they've got lots of control systems and around the venue, maybe a university or something like that, and that you can monitor the health or status of the whole system from GVE. So this will show us if devices are online, what their IP address is, you can check firmware and all that sort of stuff. You can have it email and do events if something goes offline, or alerts if you've got older projectors with lamps and they're coming to the end of their lamp life. You can have it email technicians and say, hey, this room needs to change a lamp. We can also do scheduling things, so 5 p.m. every day, if no one's moving in the room, turn the system off and things like that. So a very powerful software. This runs on a server and just looks at all of the extra control processes and anything that the processor can talk to, projectors, anything else in the room, it can report back that health back to GVE. If you'd like any more information on any of this software or GVE, please check it out at extron.com.